All of these sirens, do they not know my filming schedule? Hello there, how are you? Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not, welcome back. I upload videos 3 days a week. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell before you leave here today. That way you won't miss another upload. Now we are getting in the realm of advent calendars, and I love watching advent calendar unboxings. Last year I unboxed one. It was a Disney sock advent calendar, and I would like to unbox a few with you this year. The makeup boxes, however, are stupidly expensive, so I'm probably going to go like outside of the makeup advent calendar unboxing realm and unbox some different sort of advent calendars. So the one that I'm going to be unboxing today is actually not, like, I'm not exactly sure if it's an advent calendar technically. This is the Shoppe Geo Pause and Connect Self-Care Toolkit. And so this is 12 days of crystals. The reason that I'm calling this an advent calendar is because I picked this up from World Market, and on their website, they have this, like if you search up advent calendars there, they do have this in the advent calendar category. And whenever you open it up, it's very much advent calendar like, that it has the little boxes that you can poke holes through, and there's a little goodie inside. So I'm not exactly sure if this classifies as one or not, but we are going to treat this like one. So this crystal box is available on World Market's website. I will link that down below if you want to check it out. So this box, advent calendar box, toolbox, whatever you want to call it, contains 12 natural crystals, mini haiku poems to ponder, unique crystal properties, and associated action steps. All right, so let's open it up. Here we go. And on this side, it does have what the actual crystal is and its properties. And this side is where you pop things out. So let's go with this one first. Okay, and so just so you know, whenever you do open this up, it is its own little box, so the crystal hasn't moved around. So the first one that I'm opening up is a clear quartz point. And so this is to amplify and renew, it says. This is a good size, actually. Clear quartz is considered a master healer crystal. It is said to amplify energy by absorbing, storing, releasing, and regulating it. It also is said to aid concentration and memory, as well as stimulate your immune system and balance out your entire body. Day 2, or second box. It's a little more difficult. There you go, that's why it was difficult. These are nice sized crystals. Gosh. It's like a chunk of stone. So this is Optical Calcite, and this is to observe and record moments. It clears the aura and helps with communication. This is also known as clear calcite or Iceland spar. It works to clear and activate all the chakras to improve the flow of energy throughout the body. You use this crystal to clear away negative energy and amplify positive energy. It also helps to remove fear-based emotions and to bring more optimism into your experiences. I'm not sure if I gave you a close-up of this one. All right, and so I was wondering where the poems to reflect were. So they're actually here. I didn't see them at first. So the first one was stargaze, look up at the night sky. And the second one was we listen, we show we are listening with our eyes and our ears. All right. Third day. Third day is invite, be open to love and learning. We all grow and shift. And this is Peach Moonstone. This one is smooth. So a little touchstone. I like to carry these around in my pockets, especially like touchstones. I like to carry touchstones in my pockets, especially when I'm having a really anxious day, because I like to rub them and kind of have something to fidget with. Oh, this one's really going to come in handy for me. Peach Moonstone is a supportive tool for empaths. It's a deeply healing crystals for people who are more sensitive and need a little extra encouragement. It supports the heart as well as the mind, soothing worry or anxiety and bringing out the best in people. Fourth day. So on the fourth day, we have Citrine. Our meditative point for that is affirm. You are uniquely you. Remind yourself of your brilliance. So Citrine stimulates self-worth and invites abundance into one life. into one's life. This is the solar plexus stone. It's a stone of willpower and reminds you of your own self-worth and abilities. Its frequency is ideal for artists of all kinds, and it strengthens and sparks creativity. 5th day. They're getting progressively more difficult to actually pop through. So on the 5th day, we have Sandstone. So this one's a rough and tumble. Kind of looks like it was just plucked from the mountainside. Our meditation for that day is observe. Allow yourself to daydream. So Sandstone is good for creativity and relationships. It helps easily distracted people and clears thoughts. It is also an earth energy stone. All right, the 6th day. It's rose quartz. I like rose quartz. It always makes me feel really jolly and happy whenever I find a piece of rose quartz. Relax, remember to take care of you. Rose quartz is directly related to the heart chakra. It helps with dissolving emotional wounds, fears, and resentments. 7th day. Nope, that's just not working. All right. Oh, they pop open. I've been pushing them. They just pop open. Jade. I'm probably not pronouncing that correctly. So here is the piece. So the meditation for this day is think it, write it, manifest it. So Jade is that crystal for you if you do want to manifest peace, love, joy, luck, and abundance. Our 8th crystal, it's fluorite. It caught the light. It caught my filming light in such a way that it was just so sparkly. So fluorite. This looks like sea glass. Is fluorite sea glass? I don't know. So the meditation for this day is breathe, practice the pause. Fluorite is a crystal that is highly protective and stabilizing. It's useful for grounding and harmonizing spiritual energies. 9th crystal. This is Amsenite. I see the sparkly thing and I'm like, ooh, sparkly. So the meditation for this stone is be aware of how you react. So this stone helps with manifestation of healing, truth, and courage. Now into the last row, our 10th stone. This is blue calcite. Here we are, our blue calcite. I really don't know if the camera will pick this up, but this has the slightest like mint blue, I know mint's green, but like a minty blue cast to it. And the meditation for this day is to be aware of what you want and ask for it. Trust the process. Now, blue calcite does heighten focus, enhance memory, and facilitate gentle communication. All of these sirens, do they not know my filming schedule? Okay, so 11th crystal. Ooh, that one kind of blends in. This is amethyst. Here we go, an amethyst touchstone. The meditation for this day, when you close your eyes at night, let that day go. I think that is something that we should all take to heart. Amethyst helps to open the third eye to enhance intuition and balance spiritual knowledge and intellectual reasoning. Amethyst also helps protect against psychic attacks, paranormal harm, and ill wishing, and returns the energy back from the universe after being transformed into loving and positive energy. And we finally made it to our 12th crystal. All right, that one 100% blends in with the background. This is black tourmaline. This is a really good crystal for grounding. And our final meditation of these 12 days, put your feet on the ground and remember who you are.
Simba, remember who you are.
It was a horrible imitation of Mufasa, and I sincerely apologize to any Lion King fans out there. Now, black tourmaline is that crystal if you want to carry some protection with you. This is also a crystal of purification and shields deflecting and absorbing negative energy. It helps protect you from emotional vampires and destructive forces. Now I can really see why this is constantly sold out at my world market. I was really impressed by this little box. So I definitely do love crystals. I use crystals, but I don't have the largest crystal collection. So I already do have optical calcite. I already do have amethyst and I already do have a rose quartz. I have these actually in multiple varieties and multiple cuts, but I always love, like, I can always use more. The optical calcite I have is a huge one, so it will be nice to have one that I can carry around in my pocket or my bag whenever I leave the apartment. All of the others are new little babies that I can introduce into my crystal collection and into my daily use, and I am really thrilled with that. So I am really glad that I found the 12 Days of Crystal box from Shoppe Geo so that I was able to discover all of these crystals. Now I would love to hear what you have to say about this crystal box, and I would love to know what your favorite crystal is. Let me know in the comments down below. I would love to start that conversation with you. Now is the time that you can let me know what you thought about today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you know somebody who loves crystals and or is just starting out their crystal journey and who would like to see the crystal box from Shoppe Geo, make sure that you share this out with them so that they can enjoy this video too. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.